Today's factories owe much of the automation of their production cycles to computer numerical control, or CNC machines, making these machines essential to the daily operations of manufacturing facilities. But in Industry 4.0, they're not exempt from the risk of cyber threats. Malicious actors seeking to disrupt production could launch denial of service, or DOS, attacks on these machines. We've identified 6 ways malicious actors could carry out these attacks, one of which is through ransomware. In this scenario, ransomware actors might seek to halt a factory's operations by locking a machine or encrypting its program files until the targeted manufacturer relents to their demands. We've run a simulation of such an attack, as demonstrated here. In our research, we found that 3 of the 4 controller vendors that we tested were susceptible to ransomware attacks. In this video series, we look into the different cyber attacks that CNC machines could fall victim to and take deep dives into how these attacks unfold. To learn more, visit research.trendmicro.com/CNC machine security.